find P and Q such that PAQ is normal form. He says that find two matrices P and Q such that PAQ is a normal form. We know what is a normal form, right? Now the problem, suppose, is given to us is say A is given as 2 3 1 4 1 2 2 3 and 0 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2. Now we know how to reduce this to the normal form. It will be only through the row operations. We will keep on making the lower triangular element 0 and then even the upper triangular element 0. Only diagonal should remain and it should be identity. That is what we do. Now when he says it is a product of three matrices, that is PAQ we want to find, then it is going to be something like IAI is equal to A. Because if you multiply the matrix by the identity matrix, then the effect is going to remain the same. Now A is of size 3 rows 4 columns. So what would be size of this first one? When can two matrices be multiplied? When we are trying to multiply matrix A and matrix B, M by N and say P by Q, then number of columns N should be equal to P. So when we are to multiply this I by A, its columns should match. So it should have 3 columns and being identity it should be 3 by 3. And the second one must be 4 by 4. We don't write it like this, we write it as I3. It means that it is 3 by 3. A, I4 is A. This is where we start. And then we write that identity matrix. We can write it, it is better that we write it other way around. So it should be A is equal to I3, A, I4. So 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2 is equal to I. We don't write A here, it will be I4. And then we proceed whatever we were doing yesterday, that is make the lower triangular elements 0. Of course I see 1 here, so the very first step will be R 1 2. So it will become 1 2 2 3 2 3 1 4 0 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2. And whatever row operation you perform should be performed on pre-multiplier. So it will become 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 and rest is just copying and copying A. Then we perform R2 minus twice R1. So it becomes 1 2 2 3. So this will be 0 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 0 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2. Same operation should be performed here. So first row remains as it is, to be subtracted twice from the second row. So it becomes 1 minus 2 0 0 0 1 A, and that I4 will still continue. Now we perform column operations to make these 3 zeros. So it will be C2 minus twice C1, C3 minus twice C1 and C4 minus 3 times C1. That gives us